Hey there, Snapchat users, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of fixing the Snapchat camera not working issue. If you're experiencing difficulties with your camera in Snapchat, this full guide will help you troubleshoot and get it back up and running. Let's jump right in. Step 1. One common cause for the camera not working in Snapchat is improper permissions. Go to your phone's settings and navigate to the Snapchat app permissions. Make sure you have allowed the app to access your camera if you haven't done so previously. Step 2. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can help resolve any temporary glitches or conflicts. Once you've cleared the cache and data, re-sign in to the Snapchat app. Step 3. Keeping your Snapchat app updated is crucial for optimal performance. Check if there are any available updates in your device's app store and ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Updating the app can often fix compatibility issues and bugs. Step 4. If the camera problem persists, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This will give you a fresh installation and may help resolve any underlying issues that were affecting the camera functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the camera not working issue in Snapchat and get back to capturing and sharing your favorite moments. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.